Alright, but before we get to this extremely sweet candy challenge, big thanks to the sponsor of this video, Honey. Today's video is sponsored by Honey, and they want to help pay for one of your holiday gifts. This holiday season, Honey is helping pay for $1 million worth of gifts as part of the Great Honey Giftaway. You probably know Honey is the free browser extension that automatically finds you promo codes and discounts. Have you heard of Honey's other money-saving tool, like Drop List? Just add things you want to buy to your drop list at certain online stores, and Honey will watch the prices for you and let you know when the price drops on anything on your list. So here's how the Great Honey Giftaway works. Add Honey to your computer by going to joinhoney.com/MattStoney. Then throw some gifts into your holiday drop list for a chance to win part of the $1 million. Honey will randomly select winners and then give them the money to help buy something on their list. Even if you don't win, Honey will, as always, let you know if the prices drop on anything on your list, so at least you can save some cash. So join Honey for free today at joinhoney.com/MattStoney. Pay less for your holiday gifts this holiday season and have a chance to win part of the $1 million Honey Giftaway. All right, here we go. 4,044 M&Ms. We counted every single one of them. Now we're gonna eat every single one of them. All right, give me a countdown.
3, 2, 1, go.
One minute. There's absolutely no way to keep track of how far I am. I just gotta go off of how far it's going down, but I'm making good progress, quick progress. 4,043 M&Ms now. The problem if I don't use enough water. I'm literally making 4,000 pills right now. I need water, I can't get around that. It's too long. What's the time?
Almost
6 minutes. Almost 6 minutes, and I'd say, like 40% done.
40%.
30? 3?
30. Yeah, 30.
Probably with these lips, yeah. Yeah, you're true.
But getting gross.
No, not at all.
Yeah, not mad. It's sweet.
It's my gag reflex kicking in. Alright, well, definitely, that's 40%. That's 40%. That's 40% now. 9 minutes.
Yeah, that's 40.
I just need to chill for a second. Take about a couple breaths.
Only getting started.
I mean, yeah, we're only getting started.
11 minutes. Easy.
That was bad.
Come on.
I know once I take a break, my body's gonna get out of this one, so we gotta keep going.
Yeah, have full focus.
Oh, God.
Full.
No, I'm full. I think this is my throat literally swallowing 2,000 M&Ms. It's just making me feel.
That's it. Got it.
I got it. I got it. What time is it?
26.
Alright, 20s. I'm fading fast. This is tough. 30 minutes. I'll give it my all for 4 more minutes. 4 minutes.
Focus. Come on. Come on. It's all in the head. It's all in the 2 minutes.
My brain needs to start up, man.
Yeah. When you put down now, the less you got count. Come on. This is it. 15 seconds. And 30 minutes. I don't know what it feels like to eat that much sugar.